Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to find all posts published on your Facebook timeline by date using your PC. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, follow these simple steps. 1. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the Facebook homepage. This will take you to your personal profile. 2. Next, go to Settings and Privacy by clicking the drop-down menu in the top right corner. From there, select Activity Log. 3. In the Activity Log section, look for the category titled Your Facebook Activity. Under this, click on Posts. 4. To narrow down posts specifically made by others on your timeline, click on Other People's Posts to your feed. 5. At the top of the page, you'll see a button labeled Date. Click on it to filter posts by a specific time period. 6. A calendar interface will appear. Choose the desired date range by selecting a start and end date. 7. Once you've selected the period, click Save Changes to apply the filter. And that's it. You'll now see all posts published within the selected time frame on your timeline. Whether you're looking for old memories or specific updates, this method makes it quick and easy to locate them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this guide with anyone who might find it helpful.